This model kit review is of the Lamborghini Reventon, and it's a 1/24 scale model by Academy, and it's kind of a heavy box, so we'll have to have a look inside. This is supposed to be official Lamborghini approved model, and no additional details seen, so let's have a look inside. I have a feeling this is going to be a metal body because it's quite heavy, but let's have a look. And it is a metal body. Here it is all wrapped up. So here is the body, and it looks like it is pre-painted, but you could paint it to any color you wanted. And it has these parts that are already moved. For example, the doors come up already. Let's have a look at the rest of our pieces. Here is our engine bay, and we have our front corners here. Here's our cockpit. We have a chassis here, and it says Durago on it already, and then our suspension parts on there already. This is our canopy our glass, which looks like it probably just snaps in. We have a few extra little pieces here, and most of these probably snap together, and they come pre-painted. And some more glass with some screws. Here we have our wheels and our dashboard. We also have the brakes. We have some engine parts. And the steering column, steering rack here. Our front grills. Look in here. This is our engine block. I don't really like the way that they've sprayed this with this chrome. And our transmission. Here are our wheels. And two more of those. Here are the headers and exhausts. And seat belts. This is the engine bay cover. Dashboard. And we have the insides of our doors also snapped together. And two seats that'll snap in. These should be the instructions. And it looks like we do have some, these look like actual decals, not stickers. So there's the assembly instructions, and we see the finished model kit. And these are all the parts. It's supposed to be also in the order that you're going to use them. And some more details about the model, about the real Lamborghini. So, this is a very simple model. We also have our little base here for the car to sit on if you want to have that. We have some details in here. Doesn't require any glue or paint, but you could add that detail if you wanted to.